What up, everybody? Coming at you live from the burbs. Egan, boys. Yeah, listen, I'm gonna show you how to take care of this issue. This is a simple issue. It's a sensor issue. Most 99% of the time, it's a sensor issue. I need fuel. I'm gonna turn this down right quick, because I don't. Right there. I got fuel, and right there. Passenger restraint system. And then we have that. I mean, I have done everything possible. I love this vehicle. I take care of this vehicle. Let's check it out. You know what I mean? Love this car. BMWs, they're reliable, but once in a while you get stuff like this go off. You got malfunction. Go to the dealership and spend $1,000. For what? I don't know. Okay, they're pretty reliable. The engines are good. I've been driving this for 20,000 miles with no issues except a light bulb going off. Alright, so these newer BMWs are okay, but still stuff like this. You know, I don't necessarily want to go to a dealership and spend money. Just want to drive my vehicle without check engine lights going off all the time. So first off, I spilled some stuff. I spilled some juice on here, all over here. A few days ago, Monster energy drink in here. That may be an issue. Then my kids were sitting here. I went inside a store and I came out and they were fighting and kicking and scratching, and so one of my kids was sitting here and this thing went off. So I don't know. We'll see what happens. I'm gonna wait a few days and tell you what happens. Keep you informed. See if it goes off by itself. If not, it could be a sensor, a fuse. And 3, I'm just going to take it in. I usually take it into the BMW dealership and they tell me what the problem is. So they're pretty good about telling you, hey, you need your brakes changed. Hey, it's your brake sensor. Hey, it's this. Hey, it's that. So they'll tell me. I either pay them or I do it myself. 4 million years later. No check engine light. So as you can see, most of the time, all you got to do is wait a few days and the check engine light is gone. That's BMW for you. You never know which light comes on next. I'm kidding. It's not that bad. BMWs are awesome. I love them. They're so reliable. Nothing really breaks regarding engine and transmission. So yeah, I need some fuel. Alright. Anyway, I'll holler at you later. Hope this doesn't happen to you. If it does, you know, you can always take it in and get it checked. BMW is good at telling you what's going on, what's wrong, and how to fix it. Giving you an estimate. So, yeah, holler at your boy. Hopefully it doesn't come on again. If it does, I'll let you know too. Beautiful day out here. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your life. Remember, peace. Live in peace. Love people. Do good. It's going to come back to you. God bless. Bye.